I've worked with snake leather for 30 years now. This is where nature's most feared creature becomes the world's most coveted luxury material.
Not us. We work with purpose-bred cobras, not wild-caught. These serpents are raised specifically for leather tumbler, fed properly.
Selection requires expert eyes. We choose fully mature cobras, typically 4 to 6 feet long, whose scales are...
Processing must be quick and humane, and it's both ethical and practical. Stressed snakes release...
Skinning is an art I learned from my father. One precise cut from jaw to tail, too shallow misses the skin, too deep damages scales.
Peeling requires patience and feel. You work the skin free from muscle, feeling resistance, adjusting pressure. Rush it, you tear the skin. Every skin tells a story. I check for scars, missing scales, color variations. These aren't just... Salt is the ancient preservative, and we still use it. We coat fresh skins completely, every scale, every fold. The salt draws out moisture.
Before tanning, we rehydrate. The dried, salted skins soak in cool water with mild antiseptics.
Even after initial cleaning, we use special fleshing machines, rotating blades.
Tanning is where skin becomes leather. These drums rotate continuously, working chemicals into every fiber.
Tanning is chemistry as much as craft. We monitor pH levels hourly, adjust chemical concentrations, control temperatures precisely.
The drums rotate, pause, reverse sense. Specific patterns developed over decades. This movement ensures...
Chrome tanning cobra leather takes 48 to 72 hours. Can't rush perfection. I've seen young tanners big.
Testing completion is tactile knowledge. I flex the leather, feeling resistance, checking color depth, examining scale definition.
Very for that. After tanning, we wash thoroughly. Multiple water baths remove excess chrome, neutralize pH, clean it. Sammying squeezes water from leather without damaging scales. The machine applies controlled pressure. Too much.
Cobra skin is naturally thin. Usually we don't split it. But occasionally, thick-scaled specimens need careful splitting. This is delicate.
Rotating blades shave microns at a time, creating uniform thickness. I guide each skin personally, combining machine precision.
Retanning fine-tunes the leather. We add specific chemicals enhancing softness, improving dye uptake, increasing...
Fat liquoring returns life to the leather. Tanning removes natural oils. We replace them with specialized lubricants.
Black cobra is most coveted. We prepare dye baths carefully, temperature, concentration, pH.
Dyeing cobra leather requires patience. The scales resist dye initially, we work it in slowly, layer by layer. Rush it,
After dulling, we fix the color. Special chemicals bond dye molecules to leather fibers permanently.
After fixation, more washing, we remove unfixed dye, excess chemicals, anything that might have...
Drying cobra is critical. We use vacuum systems that remove moisture gently, evenly. Traditional air... Staking breaks down fibers mechanically, creates suppleness. The machine flexes the leather repeatedly in all directions.
Toggling stretches skins to uniform dimensions. We clip edges to frames, apply controlled tension. Too little.
Before finishing, leather ages in controlled conditions. Temperature 6 to 5 degrees, humidity full 5%.
Buffing enhances the natural pattern. Soft rotary brushes work the surface, clearing dust, smoothing any irregularities.
Finishing protects the investment. We spray specialized coatings, some penetrate, some sit on surface. They resist water.
Finish must cure undisturbed. Dust-free rooms, controlled airflow, specific temperatures. Any dust...
After finishing, we iron the leather, specialized leather irons with precise temperature control. The heat smooths the finish, creates uniform sheen.
Some clients want embossed patterns. We can enhance natural scales or add decorative textures using heated plates.
Now comes brutal honesty, grading. We sort skins by perfection.
Every skin is measured precisely. We calculate usable square footage, note imperfections, plan cutting strategies. Pattern layout is strategic chess. We position jacket panels avoiding flaws, matching scale patterns, minimizing...
Cutting cobra requires different skills than cutting cow leather. The scales create resistance, directional grain affects cutting.
My hand has guided blades through tens of thousands of skins. You develop feel for resistance, learn to read scales, alphabets.
Organization prevents chaos. Each jacket's panels are bundled together: fronts, backs, sleeves, collar, lining. Sewing cobra requires special equipment. Standard machines damage scales. We use walking foot machines with Teflon plates.
Needle size is critical. Too large, you punch visible holes. Too small, needle breaks, damages scales. We use size 1.
We test everything on scrap pieces first. Stitch length, thread tension, presser foot pressure, all adjusted until perfect.
Cobra leather is thin, but edges still need skiving. We thin the seam areas so when stitched, seams lay flat without bars. Before stitching, we glue seams. Special contact adhesive holds edges aligned, prevents shifting during sewing.
Assembly begins with major panels, fronts to back, shoulders attached, sides closed. We follow specific sequence developed over decades.
Shoulders are technically challenging. Curved seams, three-dimensional shaping, stress points.
Sleeve attachment determines jacket movement. Too tight restricts arm motion. Too loose looks sloppy. We fit sleeves precisely, distribute ease properly.
Collars need structure that Cobra naturally lacks. We interface with stiff materials, shape carefully, stitch precisely.
Lining is luxury hidden inside. We use silk or high-quality polyester, fabrics that breathe, move smoothly, and last for years.
Attaching lining is delicate work. We stitch it to seam allowances, not through outer leather. Hidden stitching that doesn't puncture.
Pockets in Cobra jackets require engineering. The leather is flexible, pockets need reinforcement preventing sagging. We interface pocket openings, reinforce corners.
Interior pockets are invisible luxury. Sewn into lining, accessible but hidden, they provide storage with.
Zippers must match leather quality. We use YKK or Riri. The weight matters too. Heavy zipper sags thin leather. Installing zippers in Cobra is precision work. The tape must lay flat, stitching must be perfect, zipper must hang straight.
Button placement affects more than function. It affects proportion, visual balance. We measure precisely, mark carefully, consider body types.
Buttonholes in Cobra are challenging. The scales make clean cuts difficult. We use specialized machines, sharp blades, Buttons need reinforced attachment. Thin leather tears easily under stress. We use backing buttons or reinforcement patches hidden in.
If jacket includes belt, loops must be strong yet elegant. We cut narrow strips, reinforce ends, attach securely.
Cuff finish reveals attention to detail. We fold edges precisely, stitch uniformly, ensure symmetry.
Hem determines how jacket hangs. We turn edges cleanly, stitch evenly, ensure proper weight distribution.
Top stitching serves dual purpose, functional strength and visual detail. The thread color, stitch length, placement all matter.
Stress points need extra attention. Armhole tops, pocket corners, zipper ends. We add bar tacks or...
Mid-construction inspection catches problems early. We check stitch quality, seam strength, alignment accuracy. Finding issues now allows correction.
Thread trimming seems simple but requires care. We cut close to knots without nicking leather, trim loose ends, ensure no odors. Pressing shapes the jacket three-dimensionally. Steam relaxes leather, heat sets seams, pressure creates crisp.
This moment still satisfies after 30 years. Watching panels become wearable art. All the care.
First fit check reveals construction success. We examine proportions, check symmetry, ensure everything hangs correctly.
Scale direction creates visual flow. We verify all panels align properly, patterns flow continuously.
Even within single jacket, color can vary if skins from different snakes. We check under standardized lighting and
Machine work is foundation, hand finishing is soul. I personally examine every stitch, smooth every edge.
Raw leather edges look unfinished. We burnish them, rubbing with specialized tools and compounds until edge. Hardware reflects light, attracts eyes. We polish every zipper pull, button, snap, ensuring perfect shine.
Final scale conditioning adds subtle depth, enhances natural luster, provides additional protection. The treatment...
Interior must match exterior quality. We ensure lining hangs smoothly, seams are neat, no loose threads. Buyers wearing
Appraising. Final inspection is moment of truth. I examine every centimeter, stitching, symmetry, hardware, finish. Every luxury jacket needs documentation. We attach tags explaining Cobra leather characteristics, care instructions,
Every jacket, front, back, details, interior. These images document our work, help with future.
Quality certification is my signature on 30 years of reputation. I examine, approve, certify each jacket meets our standards. My name goes on that certificate, it means something.
Every jacket receives a unique serial number, connects to specific snakes used, production date, craftsman responsible.
Storage matters for exotic leather. We use breathable garment bags, padded hangers, climate control environment.
Looking at finished jacket, I still feel pride. Not just garment, it's living creature transformed through ancient craft, modern technique, personal dedication.
The scales, nature's perfection we've preserved. Each pattern unique, unrepeatable. This is why people treasure Cobra leather.
Look at stitching, thousands of precise stitches, each one confident, consistent. This precision separates handcraft. Watch how it moves, supple, fluid, following natural motion. Stiff leather restricts movement.
Hardware must work perfectly 1,000 times. We test every zipper gliding smoothly, every button securing firmly, every
I imagine wearer, confidence in luxurious Cobra leather, warmth from quality construction, comfort from provenance.
Leathercraft predates written history. I'm link in unbroken chain. Ancient tanners to
My mark inside jacket, not ego, but accountability. If jacket fails, they know who made it. If jacket exceeds expectations, credit returns properly. Cobra leather needs specific care, occasional conditioning, proper storage, careful cleaning. I want buyers understanding their investment, maintaining it properly, enjoying it lifetime.
We breed sustainably, process responsibly, waste minimally. Respecting nature that provides materials.
My father taught me this craft, his hands guiding mine, his patience teaching precision. Now I teach apprentices the same way.
Young people still want learning this craft. Computer generation discovering satisfaction in handwork, tangible results. This workshop, simple space, specialized tools, accumulate knowledge. Not fancy, but here.
Look at these hands. Scars from blades, calluses from tools, stains from chemicals. Teaching is giving away what took lifetime to learn. But knowledge hoarded dies with holder. Shared knowledge. Standards don't lower because work is hard or deadline presses. Excellence isn't negotiable. Every
This is why I do this work. Transformation complete. Living serpent honored. Ancient craft practiced.
Behold, from living Cobra to luxury jacket. Weeks of work, decades of knowledge, centuries of tradition.
Cannot mass produce this. Requires human judgment, hand skill, heart commitment. That's luxury distinction, irreplaceable human touch.
Interior perfection matters even unseen. Clean seams, smooth lining, careful finishing. Buyer may never notice.
Watch light move across scales praise, natural iridescence preserved through careful processing. This shimmer cannot be imitated, cannot.
From farm-bred serpent to luxury masterpiece, journey complete. Humane processing, expert tanning,
The journey begins with purpose-bred cobras in our controlled facility. We ensure sustainable, regulated production